Hi there, my name is Brian Byers. I'm Employability Manager at university. This is just a short video for students on how to use Recruit to search for year-long placement opportunities. So what you see on the screen here is the Recruit homepage and the student view. And you're obviously looking for year-long placements. So you see there's two ways of accessing year-long placements, either from the top tab here or from here, this link which has the number of currently advertised ones. So you can click either one. On the homepage there, just to let you know that at this point it's a really good idea to set your preferences because that will help Recruit show you and also send you opportunities which are really directly relevant to you. So particularly the career areas that are of interest to you, then you're going to want to select the appropriate career areas. If there are particular locations that are of relevance to you, and also your contact details, particularly your preferred email address, which will be default to your university email. So if I click on year-long placements, so I want to search and view opportunities with a view of actually applying for them, then you click on year-long placements and you'll see these are a long list of, a list of suggested opportunities based on your preferences that you've set on the profile page on the homepage. But if you just want to go straight through, you can either click Find Placements here. Now, what I would say is that if you haven't been in this page before, then this will probably say Register. So by registering, it's just giving you the option to actually view placement opportunities. Okay, so if placement is compulsory for your degree program, you're obviously going to do it anyway, but you're hitting register, which allows you to actually get through and view those opportunities, and also tells us that you're interested in doing placement, and then we can send you relevant email alerts based on your preferences. So the next screen is where you can actually see the opportunities, but at any time, if you wish, you'll see the option at the top here called Search Preferences. You can alter what your preferences are, sectors, locations, etc. But really from here, it's pretty straightforward. This is where you can view the opportunities and identify ones that you're interested in, click on the actual job title and click on it, and it brings you through to the relevant information. This little profile here is kind of the key information of the opportunity: the employer, this career area or job area, how many jobs are there, salary range, location, the web link for the employer, etc. And then as you scroll down, it provides more of the information and actually the method of application. So this is all the information that you need to review before you actually start writing your CV and really targeting your CV or application to the actual opportunity. And the method of application here, which we'll talk about in a separate video, is actually by application form. There's three options for methods of applications. Most employers still use CV. Some use application form, and some will just link you directly to their web page where you can apply there.